Hello, welcome back to 3D Printed Soup. This week, something different. Hitting 200 subscribers, I thought, you know what? A new camera might be a good idea. So this is the last one filmed with my old camera. So, moment of silence on my old camera. Now this is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. It's a 20 megapixel camera. It's got 5K at 30 frames or 4K at 60 frames. It's water resistant to 33 feet and 120p live stream. Also got a nice little bundle that came with it, but we'll talk about it later. It's got a front-facing screen, and it has got a fantastic new lens as well. On the back, it's making a big thing about how you can link it to your mobile phone. Ooh, exciting! With the GoPro app. How exciting that is! Not really. And here's a load of other legal gubbins you can have a look at as well that it can do. Ooh, look! ×8, whatever the hell that means. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the Hypersmooth 3.0. That's mostly the thing I'm interested in. And this came with a floaty handle, some kind of clip, and a few other bits and pieces. But now let's tear off the bottom. Oh, love that feeling. Opening new packaging. And let's see what we got in here. I like the way they got rid of the plastic casing they used to have, and they've just given you a really, really nice case instead, which is going to be used and used again, so it stops plastic polluting our environment. Good work, GoPro. This is a nice looking thing. I mean, it's tough. Yeah, it seems fairly rugged and rigid, and even got GoPro symbols on the zip. And yeah, that opens up without any catching at all. So yeah, it's a really good quality. It's a really nice quality thing. Inside we have got the GoPro package. We have got a lovely 32GB memory card. I think it's a 3. Quick start guide. Ooh, stickers. Everyone likes stickers. Some kind of subscribe to GoPro. Forget that. And your questions answered in 1,000 different languages, none of which I speak, except allegedly English. Right, let's start unpacking, see what we got. First of all, we've got the floaty handle. It's sort of soft and squidgy, not quite as strong as it. Yeah, that's fairly tough. It's got a luminous end one end with a lanyard. We all love a lanyard. Everyone likes a lanyard. And one of those push button things so you can put it around your wrist. And it's got the usual buckle clip at the end as well that your GoPro could just clip straight into. And yeah, if that falls off the side of a boat, it's going to float. We've got... what's in here? Ooh, a clip. Oh, a magnetic clip. I wonder if this stick to the side of the table. But first of all... oh, bit crunchy. Yeah, don't put that on your finger. That is quite a powerful clip. Yeah, it's... chunky. Does it stick to the table? No, it doesn't stick to the side of the table, but I'm sure it will stick to something magnetic. But yeah, I like that a lot. Especially like the little rubber jaws. We have got 1 battery. 2 batteries. 2 batteries included. That's 2 for you, because 1 won't do. Fantastic stuff. That's going to be really, really useful, because these things eat batteries, especially at 4K. Ooh, some kind of... ah, we have got the connector. And is it? Yes, it is. It's USB Type-C. Fantastic. Bloody micro USB. Got too many of those. Ah, another clip. I think this is to clip into that. Yeah, I can probably get that into that buckle. Will that fit? Oh, hang on. Other way around. Ah, there we go. Right, and clip. And the little rubber thing clips down, and it's safe and secure. You can put that on your handlebars or your cap or whatever you want to do with it. Then we've got the little twisty things for attaching stuff to other stuff. Sticking stuff in other stuff. La 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 la. And another one as well. Oh, and another little buckle clip as well. Because you can't have enough buckle clips. You can never have too many buckle clips. And we've got a round, sticky helmet cam. And we've got the flat... no, just the one. We've only got one... ah. No, that's okay. I've got tons of them from the last 3 GoPros, so... I'm not going to whinge too much. And this is the main event, the thing itself. It looks nice. It's very well protected and wrapped up. Nice cellophane. It's a weighty bugger though. I mean, it's heavier than. Is that heavier than the old GoPro? Right, time for a comparison. This is the GoPro Hero HD, 10 years back, and I think it may actually be as heavy, if not heavier. Have a look at size comparison. The GoPro Hero 9 is actually bigger than the GoPro Hero HD. So, quite frankly though, I've never been a big fan of making things smaller. Something you can hold in your hands, something which is chunky, something which feels like it's actually there, I prefer. So, yeah, I'm not too bothered by that. Right, and the best bit of all, taking the packaging off. Everyone loves removing packaging from their new toys. And, look at that, just lovely. And then the lens, and you can swap that as well, so if it gets scratched you can swap it. Now the back one though, I'm going to have to get myself a screen protector for this because, yeah, I'm not having that back getting scratched. Same with the front one as well. Right, let's try taking the lens off. I hear it's got a new system. Which way do you turn it? Come on. Ah, there we go. There we go, and that just comes off. And there's the real lens underneath it, and there is the other lens. Nice and transparent. There is not a scratch or a fingerprint on that yet. That will change very, very shortly, I imagine. Right, let's put that back on. I'm not having difficulty putting it back on, honestly. Line it up. Ah, there we go. Line and twist. Lovely. So yeah, this build quality is beautiful. Okay, these little toggles come out the bottom now. Those, how strong are those? Let's give that a twist. Oh, those are actually quite tough. I was worried those would snap off because they look a bit plasticky, but it turns out they're actually quite high-grade plastic. And where's the batteries going? I think it's... Let's have a fiddle around. Bear with me, watcher. Please wait. Right, yep, okay, so you pull down and then open. And there we go, and inside you put the SD card in the micro SD slots, right about there. And then you just stick in the USB-C there, like so. Lovely jubbly. That's a very short cable though, I'm definitely going to have to use. But then again, I've got the extension cable for the Oculus, so that should be fine. And that is where the new water drain system is. Get water in it and it drains out, which is lovely. And this is a good looking piece of hardware. It's matte black. It's a little weighty. So let's give the bottom things a try. Oh, straight in there, perfect. Line it up. Oh, careful. There we go. And let's see how tight this is. That's pretty much finger tight, and yeah, that's not going anywhere. Loosen it off a bit and you've got a nice pivot to it. And you can attach that to your cap or to your handlebars or to your dog or anything else that you want to attach it to. That's a very nice looking piece of tech. I'm liking the Hero 9, and once again I put it on my fingers, but yeah, it's not too bad. No, hang on. Is that attached? Yeah, it's fine. So there it is, GoPro Hero 9. Lovely bit of hardware. Comes in a nice little box. Let's put this all back in. Cardboard filler. I probably will 3D print myself something for that, but at the moment the cardboard thing will be fine. Floaty handle goes back in. Couple of batteries. Well, one battery. I think I'll put the other one in. There we are. Clips. Stickies. Metal strips. and the USB-C all zips up, keeps it nice and safe and tidy. But none of this matters unless the actual video recording itself is good. So I jumped on the bike at golden hour and got some wonderful seaside footage. Let's give it a look. So yeah, this is a lovely piece of tech and I'm very, very happy with it. I mean, it weighs a bit, but not too much. It still fits in your pocket. The little sprockets on the bottom are fantastic. They're much better than the last few I've used. And yeah, I like the screens, and the front screen's going to be an absolute godsend when it comes to vlogging. And yeah, you can't get the lens cap mount off too easily, so there's not going to be an issue with that falling off or getting damaged. Yeah, all in all, I think that the GoPro Hero 9 Black is a beautiful camera and I'm very, very happy with it. I love the package that came with it. I love the fact it doesn't use plastic anymore, and this special value pack which you can get at the moment, which is a limited offer, comes from really nice stuff. So yeah, really, really good GoPro, probably the best GoPro I've used. Some of them are a bit rubbish, but yeah, I like that a lot, and definitely 5 out of 5 for me. Thanks so much for watching 3D Printed Soup and watching this slightly different video to what I usually do. Stay happy, stay safe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep printing.